Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Ninis Anisha with name 230600286. Today I will review and explain the contents of an English language journal article with title Moral Teaching in the Age of Digital Economy, a model for elementary school character education for sustainable development. From opening to closing, I will cover each section: abstract, introduction, methods, result and discussion, conclusion, and references. I will explain the essence of each section. Okay, first is abstract. The abstract summarizes the purpose, methods, and main findings of the study in a concise way. Example explanation. Okay, first there is an abstract which briefly states the study's purpose, the methods used, and a general overview of the result. For instance, the abstract may start with a sentence like this: This study aims to explore the implementation of moral teaching in the digital economy era as a character education model for elementary school. Okay, next, introduction. The introduction explains the background and motivation for the study, identifying the problem and the study's objective. Example explanation. Next is the introduction, where the problem addressed by the research is explained along with why it is important. An example sentence is: the development of digital technology requires students to be morally educated to prepare them as good human research. Okay, in the literature review section, it contains relevant theories and previews research results and provides context and a scientific basis for the research. Okay, in the literature review, this article contains three key sections. First, digital economy is described as web-based economic activities driven by technology per Richard Barbuk, offering job opportunities but also challenges. Second, character education is defined teaching moral knowledge, feelings, and action to shape behavior based on Likona. Third, sustainable development varies between economic growth and social justice focus, with education for sustainable development aiming to develop decision-making skills as per Tilbury. In the findings in the field of moral learning, this article contains insight from the case study on moral teaching parties. It notes the lack of prior research and contributes findings from teachers' interviews, showing a conceptual framework for character education in the digital economy era, derived from the data. Okay, next, methods. This part describes how the research was conducted, including study design, participant, and data collection methods. Example explanation. In the method section, the researchers explain the approach they took to collect data and analyze it. For example, this research uses a case study method involving interviews and observation of 10 elementary school teachers. Okay, next, result and discussion. This section presents the findings of the research and discuss their implication. Example explanation. The result and discussion explain what the researchers found from their study and why it matters. For instance, teachers practice moral teaching by giving example and direct activities related to digital entrepreneurship. Okay, next, conclusion. The conclusion summarizes the key findings and suggests implication or future direction. Example explanation. Finally, the conclusion sums up the overall findings and points out what should happen next? An example sentence might be the character education model can help develop moral learning for sustainable development, but teachers still need training to improve their competence. Okay, last references. The references list all the scholarly research cited in the article, providing the foundation for the research. Okay, that's all. Thank you for attention. Bye.